This is the ESP32-C3 Super Mini module I have.
It supports Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and excellent processing power. The size is really small compared to other electronics. You can see the processor on it is really tiny. And this is the DF Robot color sensor module we have. It has 4 LEDs on it, and the middle one is the sensor. It has a total of 10 pins. We will use all 5 pins on this side, and 2 or 3 pins from the other side. If you trigger the LED pin, the LEDs will shine. If you don't trigger the LED pin with DC power, the LEDs won't shine, but the sensor will still work. Since we have lots of light here, we won't trigger the LED pin. I have a breadboard set up ready here, built using small jumper wires. You can find the link in the description to buy these. These connections have been done precisely, and the diagram is in the description. I have attached a lithium polymer battery and a TP4056 charging module with the breadboard. This ensures the breadboard has power all the time. This is the trigger switch. Pushing it turns the power on, pushing it again turns it off. The TP4056 module is great for charging lithium polymer batteries. The overall size is really narrow, perfect for mini projects. According to the diagram, our ESP32-C3 Super Mini will be placed right here. The ESP32 is placed successfully on the breadboard. Turning the switch on, you can see the LED glows, meaning it's attached perfectly. Now I am turning the switch off again. Next, I am placing the color sensor on the board according to the diagram. As you can see, both components are easily attached to the board. If I turn the switch on now, the device starts working. Let me turn the switch off so it doesn't have power. To see what color is in front of it, we can use 2 methods. We can print on a serial monitor or host an HTML site to see the exact color. That is exactly what I have done. Let me put this aside. First, let me turn the device on. Here is the preview website I made for this project. You can see the spectral preview change. Basically, the monitor shows the exact color placed on this sensor. I have these 4 color papers ready to test the colors. Let's test them one by one. This first one is a light blue color paper. Placing it on the sensor, it is currently showing. But there is a way to calibrate this sensor by going down. You'll see calibrate white and calibrate black buttons. Let's place a black object, like this remote, on the sensor. Now, click calibrate black, and the sensor is calibrated. Now, if I place the blue paper on the sensor, you can see it is showing the exact light blue color on screen. Let's look at it from closer to see the shade clearly. It matches the light blue color perfectly. If I place the lime green paper on the board, it correctly displays the lime color, and you can verify the hex code. Next, placing this pinkish colored paper on the board, it shows the exact same pink color on the screen. When I turn off the switch, the site gets disconnected as well. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you want to get the code, find the link in the description to our blog. And thank you very much for your time.